Are you ready to redefine your photography experience? Strap in as we dive into the world of the Canon EOS R7, a camera that's sure to captivate you with its unparalleled performance and remarkable features. Welcome to the future of APS-C mirrorless cameras, where the Canon EOS R7 reigns supreme. With its groundbreaking features, this camera is a testament to Canon's commitment to innovation and passion for delivering quality products. Whether you're a professional wildlife photographer, a videography enthusiast, or a content creator who loves to capture every moment, this review will make you fall in love with the Canon EOS R7. The Canon EOS R7 boasts a 32.5 MP APS-C sensor, providing higher resolution than any other cropped sensor camera on the market. This feature is a boon for wildlife photographers who require more freedom to crop their images. The EOS R7 also excels at shooting speeds, clocking in at an impressive 15 frames per second mechanically and 30 frames per second electronically. This outperforms other Canon EOS cameras, putting the R7 at the forefront of high-speed photography. This camera is the first APS-C model from Canon to feature in-body image stabilization, utilizing a 5-axis system that offers up to 8 stops of compensation depending on the lens. It's equipped with the most sophisticated autofocus developments of the R series, including dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with human, animal, and vehicle subject recognition. For video enthusiasts, the R7 is a powerhouse capable of uncropped 4K 60p, 4K 30p oversampled from 7K, and 1080p up to 120p3. The R7's build and handling also stand out. Its compact yet robust structure has dual UH2 SD memory card slots and features the same weather sealing as the 90D. Though there are some changes to the arrangement of the joystick and control wheel, users will find the adjustments logical and efficient once they get used to them. On the performance front, the R7 is an all-rounder. From everyday photography and videography to wildlife shooting, the camera delivers consistently. One of its standout features is the amplification of focal lengths, which is a huge advantage for wildlife shooters. The subject detection and tracking are superb, making the camera reliable in various shooting scenarios. The Canon EOS R7 is a marvel of engineering, blending speed, power, and precision into a compact design. It's the perfect choice for photographers who want to push the boundaries of what's possible with an APS-C camera. However, it's worth noting that the control wheel might feel a bit delicate for users with larger thumbs, and it might take some time to adjust to the new layout. The R7 is not just a camera, it's a revolution. Whether you're a Canon shooter or not, the EOS R7 is sure to make you rethink your notions of what an APS-C mirrorless camera can achieve.